Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain psycholinguistics and 5 basic concepts in it. Psycholinguistics is the study of how language is processed, stored, and produced in the human mind. The 5 concepts I will explain are language acquisition, mental lexicon, language processing, speech production, and speech perception. Let's start with the first, language acquisition. Language acquisition is the process of how humans learn language, especially during childhood. Children do not learn language by memorizing grammar rules. Instead, they learn naturally by listening and interacting with people around them. For example, a baby learns the word milk because parents often say it while giving milk. Over time, the child understands the meaning and can say the word. This shows that language learning is not only imitation, but also involves the brain's ability to recognize patterns. According to the critical period and hypothesis, children learn language more easily than adults. This is why adults often have difficulty getting a native-like accent. For example, children can speak fluently without grammar lesson, but adults learning a new language usually need classes. Second is mental lexicon. Mental lexicon is the mental dictionary in our brain. It stores words, meanings, sounds, and relationships between words. For example, when we hear the word run, we know it can mean run fast, run a business, or run out of time. This shows that words are not stored randomly. They are connected by meaning and usage. This is why we sometimes experience tip of the tongue moments. We know the word but cannot say it. For example, when you forget a friend's name but remember the first letter, that is your mental lexicon at work. Third is language processing. What is language processing? Language processing is how the brain understands and produces language in real time. When someone says a sentence, your brain does many things quickly, like recognize sounds, identify words, understand sentence structure, and finds meaning. Language processing shows that understanding language is a active mental process, not passive listening. Ambiguous sentence can slow down processing. For example, the sentence, "I saw the man with the telescope," can confuse us because the brain must choose the correct meaning. Okay, the next part is speech production. Speech production is the process of planning and saying words. Before we speak, our brain decides the message, choose the words, arrange grammar, and produce sounds. Sometimes errors happen, such as slip of the tongue. These errors are important because they show how language is organized in the brain. Speech error prove that language is planned before spoken, not only created randomly. For example, saying reading list instead of reading list shows how sounds can switch in the brain. And the last concept is speech perception. Speech perception is how listeners recognize and understand speech sounds. Even though people speak differently, fast, slow, or with accent, we can still understand them. This shows that the brain does not hear speech as separated sounds, but as meaningful patterns. And for example, you can understand your friend's voice on the phone even with noise or a back signal. To conclude, psycholinguistics help us understand how language works in the human mind. The five concepts: language acquisition, mental lexicon, language processing, speech production, and speech perception, show that language is a complex cognitive system. Thank you for watching.